Hey divas, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. In today's video, as you can see, I'm wearing this bomb 99J wig. So if you want to see how I do it, continue to watch. So I went ahead, I co-washed it, I plucked it, and I also did I went ahead, straighten it, I would say pre-style it. So now I'm just gonna go ahead and install. I went ahead, did my ball cap on off camera, and now I'm going to go ahead and put this bad boy on. So as you know, I'm gonna go in with my Bold Old Active because I have oily skin. So first I'm gonna go in with the Skin Protect, and I'm gonna use that to clean the front portion of my forehead all the way, my earline all the way across, and then I'm gonna go in with 3 thin layers of the Bold Hold, let that dry down clear, and then put that lace in. As you can see, I'm smoothing out the glue because I want it to dry evenly all the way across. Now I'm going to go ahead and cut off the excess lace from the wig before installing it. I found out that this method works best for me instead of putting the wig on and then try to cut the lace off. No, I don't like that. It doesn't work for me. Now that the excess lace is off, I'm going to go ahead and use some foundation underneath my wig to tone the knots, I guess. You know, give it that color instead of that ashy look. Now onto the fun part, which is applying the wig. First, I'm going to go ahead and apply the center of the wig first, which is where the parting is, because I'll be wearing a center part, and then I'm going to move on to the sides. After putting the lace in the glue, I'm going to go ahead and further melt the wig using my elastic band. I'm going to use the blow dryer on cool setting and use this to help cure the glue. Now that I'm done blow drying the glue, I'm going to go ahead, remove my elastic band, and then try to tussle these ear tabs. I don't know why I didn't go ahead and cut them off before installing the wig. Big mistake. After cutting them off, I had to go ahead, put down some more glue because they lifted during the process. Now this is expected. After putting down the wig, not every part of the wig will get glued sometimes. So all you have to do is just go in with a little glue, spread it out, let it dry, and then put the lace in. It's always better to do that than use too much glue where you have to try and remove some. It's always better to add than remove. Now I'm going to go in with the bed edge TIGI, and I'm going to use that to further melt my lace. Now you can skip this step if you want to, but I chose to do it even though it's not necessary. And then I'm going to go in with my elastic band, tie the lace down again, blow dry it, and come back. Now I'm going to go in with my comb, and I'm going to use that to comb my hair back, comb my baby hairs out, and then go in with a hot comb and use it to further smooth out my hair. Now I'm going to go in, cut, curl, and swoop my baby hairs. Now, depending on the angle that I turn, you can see how ashy my lace looks. And I'm going to go in with a tailored crown lace tint, rest in peace to her. And I'm going to use that to tint my lace before going in with some powdered makeup. And you know the drill. We're going to tie it, dry it, then remove the whatever you use to tie it, and continue on. mold my baby hairs, I'm going to go in with a bowl hold lace jelly. Here you go, guys. This is it. This is the final result. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and if you're new, please don't forget to go ahead, subscribe, like, share, comment. You might as well, because you're already here. As you can see, I'm filming myself. Yes, I really love this wig. This is my first time trying a 99J wig, and I must say that I love it. It fits me, it suits me. As you can see, I did my makeup to match. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.